Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we're going to solve NCERT Maths Class 7, Chapter 1 Integers Exercise 1.2 question number 4. So friends, without wasting any time, let's begin with the question. This is fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Now there are some properties which we need to have a look at. That is basically you can see here minus 5 plus minus 8, this is one statement given, is equal to minus 8 plus and bracket, and we have to fill something in this. What we have to fill in this? For this we need to know a few properties. First we will see the commutative property like we did. Like suppose we have done that in the previous question as self in the third one, that is integers can be added in any order. These are properties of addition, right? So integers can be added in any order. Alright, suppose you can see this, I take minus, first we will do the simple positive ones to make it a bit more easy. Again 8 plus 5, just like I took in the previous one. And if I do reverse this 5, 8, that both of them will be 13 only as the answer. This will be 13 only. Same we do with negative integers, like I say minus 2 plus 4, right? Now this is minus 2 plus 4, you open that up, so both of them have different signs, so you get answer is 2. Alright, but if I reverse this like 4 and in brackets, okay, plus and in brackets minus 2, this will be again 4 and plus minus, when you open that up minus, so 4 minus 2, that is again 2. So both of them are same always, right? This is what commutative property is all about. Then we have associative property. Now that is when we group some integers together. Suppose again I will take simple ones only, 8 plus 5 minus 4, right? This I take here. Now you can see this 8 plus 5 we solve first, so 13 minus 4, you open the bracket, so you simply get that answer is 9, right? But what if I change this thing? Suppose I say 8 plus 5 minus 4, right? And this is grouped together, right? Now you can see over here this bracket will solve here, so 5 and minus 4 will be 1, 8 plus in brackets 1, so 8 plus 1, simply you open that bracket up, you get 9 as the answer. So again answer comes same in associative property as well. It is just that we group the integers differently. Here 8 and 5 were grouped, here we have grouped 5 and minus 4, so answer will always be the same. Now let us move on to the questions. Now we move on to the question. This is minus 5 plus and in brackets minus 8 is equal to minus 8 and plus in brackets again something we have to add. This is again very simple. Basically here we are using the commutative property, and that is what? That integers can be added in any orders. Here you can see minus 5 came first, minus 8 came after. Here we have minus 8 first, so what will come after this? Minus 5. Even let us try to solve this. So this one we solve, it will be minus 5 plus minus 8, so minus 13 here. Again you simply solve it, you get minus 13 here. This one we solve, so again this question we copied down, so this open the bracket up, minus 8 will be as it is, plus minus 5, again you get minus 13 as your answer, right? So this in the brackets we write minus 5. Now we move on to the next part. It is minus 53 plus again something we have to write dot 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 is equal to minus 53. Now here we have to study about additive identity, that is 0. What is additive identity? When we add 0 in any number, any integer, the answer comes out to be the number itself, right? Here you see minus 53 is there. Here though it is not written that 0 is added, but answer always came out to be as minus 53. So what is added in this? 0. So you add that 0. So basically we are adding nothing in minus 53. That gives us minus 53 as the answer. Let us move on to the next one. Now let us move on to the next part. This is 17 plus, and again something we have to write, that is equal to 0. So in this what we do, it is a bit opposite of the previous part. You see, when we add something, you can see here, like when we add the positive numbers, negative form in that, like you can say 2, okay, 2 plus minus 2, right? So example comes out to be 2 minus 2, and that is 0. So you can say that answer is 0. Same happens with other integers as well. And if it is a negative integer, right, suppose minus 2, again we turn this, so we simply do plus 2 in this, that will give you 0, right? So you can see we write the opposite sign of the integers. Here 17 is positive, so we write minus 17 here in brackets, of course, right, minus 17, that is equal to 0. You can solve this or not, it is up to you totally, but answer is going to be 0 only. Let's move on to the next part. Now we move on to the next part. This is in brackets 13 plus, and in a smaller one this is minus 12 plus, and again in brackets we have to write something, that is equal to 13 plus, in the bigger one, the bigger brackets, minus 12 here, and then plus and minus 7 in this smaller ones. Now you can see here it is a bit complicated, but you can see we have minus 7 here, but we don't have a minus 7 here. 13 is grouped here and minus 12 is grouped here. Here 13 is not grouped, minus 12 is grouped, and minus 7 is grouped. So here minus 7 will not be grouped, right? You can even start to solve this if you want to, it is up to you. So let us start solving this thing first. Plus minus 7 in this bracket, so this gets solved. First we solved the one inside this bracket, right, and this one also, right? This becomes this is in brackets 13 plus minus 12, you close the bigger one, plus and minus will be minus 7, right? Now we solve the one inside here, this will be 1 minus 7, and that you open up, so plus 1 minus 7, both of them have different signs, so we get minus 6. Minus 6 is the answer. Next we have this one, that is 13 plus, in the bigger brackets, minus 12 plus minus 7, right? Then you close this bracket. This is the 13th one. Now this we solve, so 13 plus, and here in the bigger brackets you open this, minus 12 plus minus 7, you close it, so 13 and plus this minus 7 and minus 12, right? This is what it is. So minus 7 and minus 12 will be minus 19. So 13 and plus in brackets minus 19, so both of them have different signs. We open the bracket, so plus minus becomes minus 19. This becomes different signs, so you subtract them. 19 minus 13 is 6, and 19 is greater, so minus sign will be put here, right? So again answer in both of them is the same, so we have verified it as well. Let us move on to the next parts. On to the next one. So we have minus 4 in brackets plus, and in the bigger ones we have 15 plus in brackets minus 3 is equal to 4, again in the bigger bracket, minus 4 plus 15 plus something. In this what can we write? Suppose you can see here in this one what numbers are grouped? 15, right, and minus 3 here, right? In this what numbers are grouped? Minus 4, sorry, this is not grouped, but this is left, so minus 4 is left. In this you can see minus 4 and 15 are grouped, so which one is left here? 3, minus 3 is left, so this we write in the brackets minus 3 and still if you feel, you can verify this. So let us do that. We have minus 4 plus bigger brackets 15 plus in the smaller one 3, right? We close this. Now you solve it. So in this one, the bigger brackets we solved first. So minus 4, you can simply open it up like this, and this will be 15 plus, and in the bigger ones we have 15 plus minus is minus 3, right? Then you close it. So you have minus 4 here, alright, and plus once again plus. This time we solve this, so we have 15 minus 3 is 12, so plus 12, right? Plus 12. These two numbers are what we're getting. Now we solve this thing as well, so that is both the numbers have different signs, so we find their difference. 8, that is 8, and again plus sign here, right? So plus 8, right? Again here we're getting plus 8. Now on to the next side, we have here in the bigger brackets minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3. Again we solve this thing. So this one we solve, minus 4 and plus 15 will be how much? 11, right? Both of the numbers have different signs, so 11, and the greater one will be put here, that is plus, so 11. Now you can see 11 plus minus will be minus 3, alright, that is going to give us 8. Here also 8, here it is plus 8 or 8, whatever you want to say. So both of these are the same, right? So we have verified it, it is same. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.